Meet CARMEN. CARMEN is a small tabletop robot designed to help people with mild cognitive impairment. It was developed by UC San Diego researchers in collaboration with clinicians and people with MCI. A robot like this one could deliver cognitive training right in the home. It does this by teaching compensatory cognitive strategies by using many different interactive games and activities. For example, here is PhD student Anya Buzida playing a game with CARMEN, memorizing a sequence of colors. Researchers found that CARMEN gave participants confidence to use the cognitive strategies in everyday life. They hope that robots like CARMEN will extend the reach of clinical interventions to the home.